What's up, guys? It's Kevin with the Knife Doctor, and today for Saturday Stampede, I'm going to be working on a Vintage Camillus Stockman. The blade is messed up some. I'm going to repair that and clean it up, and it's just going to be a quick repair for Saturday's Stockman Stampede. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, guys, what we got today is just a quick fix here. It's a Camillus. That stamp was used on the Tang in the 60s and 70s. It's a good knife. It's got good snap. As you can hear, we're going to clean it up, and we're going to fix the belly on this blade. You see how it comes back down right there? I'm going to smooth that out and put a new edge on it. So let's take care of the blade first, and we're going to get it cleaned up. Okay, guys, I got the bolsters all cleaned up, the back. Now I'm going to take my Dremel tool with the wire brush wheel and clean up all that. There's some, you see just that rust right in there. It's not bad, but I want to get it really good and shine. Big difference. That really does a good job. And now we're going to clean the gook out right in here real quick. That, man, slide these handles down real good. This looks a lot better. It had that little belly right here. It turned out good. I put new edges on these blades too. They turned out good. All right, the Neville oil treatment. Okay, guys, here she is. It cleaned up good. I knew it would. And the belly on that blade is gone now. Looks good. Great snap on these blades. I put new edges. They're sharp too. Let's see. See that edge? Yep. Beautiful knife. Camillus. This Camillus. These are great knives. The vintage ones are. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, guys, this is my Stampede Stockman for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Just a quick repair of a Vintage Camillus knife, and it turned out good. The belly's gone, straight edge. Y'all have a wonderful day, guys. Until we meet again, y'all stay sharp. I save lives of old knives. Y'all have a great day.